Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to beat Giovanni without any legendary Pokemon. So without any further ado, just let's go to the battle. I'm going to show you which of the Pokemon I'm going to use. I'm going to use Machamp, Hariyama and Alola Executor. So let's go to the battle right now. So first we are going with Hariyama. So we have to take the shield first. So I'm going to fill up my energy first for Hariyama, and then we'll swap it to Machamp. So in this 2 seconds we'll get extra 2 seconds to hit Persian. So first we will this is not necessary. So actually they are going to shield it. So it is really not necessary. So we are going to finish this Persian. So there is another shield. So now Rhyperior is going to come up. So we have to hit another counter charge move to Rhyperior. So this is also not necessary, as this will also be shielded. So Rhyperior is a very powerful Pokemon, so we have to hit it as soon as possible. So now I'm going to hit this. So this I need to go to Excellent. I have to go to Excellent. So this will take off more than 50% of the life. So now my Machamp will die, as Rhyperior is very powerful. So now we are going to go with Executor. I'm not going to go with Hariyama right now, because Executor is weak to Fire type, which is Entei, which is going to come next up. So I'll take out this Rhyperior with the quick attacks. So next I am going to get Entei. So now I have to take out this and take out this charge move. So Solar Beam will not do much damage, but enough damage. So so next up, I think we have to Hariyama has to come up, because this is weak to Entei. It is a fire type Pokemon, and Executor is weak to fire. So now Hariyama, we had already had some energy with Hariyama. So now it is easy to just hit it. So first charge move done. So now the second one we have to just finish it off before it hits us. So you can see how much life it was remaining for Hariyama. So this is the first time I've beat Giovanni, and this is the first legendary Entei I'm going to get, and a Shadow Entei. So thank you guys for watching this video. So I'm going to catch this Entei. So this was the first Entei, so I had to catch it however possible. So I had to throw in some golden raspberry. So I'm waiting for the excellent throw to come. So now I'm going to throw it in. So I couldn't get the excellent throw in, but I think it was enough. The golden raspberry was enough to take the Entei in. So that's it. So I beat Giovanni for the first time, and this is my first legendary Pokemon, and we have beat Giovanni without any legendary Pokemon. So thank you guys for watching this video. So like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.
Fuck! Shit.